April 20th, 2025. Guys, you're looking at satellite images that are current over the continental U.S. And right through here, it doesn't look that strong, but this thing is really piling up, and we're starting to get tornado warnings. Shout out to our friends in Arkansas. That's going to move through your area and cross that border coming out of Oklahoma. You can see right here in the last few images, again, coming out of Oklahoma into Arkansas, this thing's starting to fire up. I noticed we were outside earlier and the sun was out. It got hot real quick. The solar intensity is still very active, guys. We got that coronal opening coming at us. We've got the side effects of that CME you saw drop out the left side of the sun. But right now, again, I think that has to do, space weather is the controller of Earth's weather. But right here, guys, this is going to become more and more dangerous as we go through the day. This low pressure system is spinning right there and throwing everything east and northeast. Now, this is switching to the National Weather Service. We have a tornado warning, again, coming out of the northeastern corner of Oklahoma, now into Missouri. This may be one forming here, coming again from Oklahoma into Arkansas, and in northeastern and north central Missouri right there. So we may have 3 active storms. Let's back this up and look. And this is the Mississippi River. Here's Quincy, here's Cape Girardeau there, guys. But Mexico, you're under the gun. It's east of Colombia, headed north towards Mexico now. All of the yellow area is a tornado watch area. Flash flood warnings in the maroon, and then these are flood watches and warnings. But you guys in Mexico, you're under the gun. And if you just head southwest, back down that line of storms, here's Joplin, Missouri. We're talking about this border here. So Joplin, it looks like as far as this storm, you're not in that bad of a shape as far as the tornado, but the entire orange area is severe thunderstorm warnings, which means you need to be watching this on your local TV, have your local weather radios on, things like that. And of course, always take shelter. Where are your pets? Check on your friends and family. Down to the tail end of these tornadoes, this is Fort Smith, Arkansas, Little Rock. This is Mena. Mena, this storm is moving just to your northwest, but it's headed up towards Fort Smith area and all to the west of Fayetteville. Here's Mountain Home and Joplin, Brandon. All of these are severe thunderstorm warnings. Like I said, they didn't look that strong looking at the satellite images compared to some that we've seen. And all of this area is a tornado watch. Now, these severe thunderstorm warnings on this chart are in the yellow, guys, but tornado warning here. Again, this is Joplin. It looks like it's going to barely miss you, but there's a line under it. Then you've got these popping up all the way down. Here's the one that is just to the west of Meta there. It actually looks like there's 2 sections of this storm now. So all of this area is going to be active, and you can see the way that it's moving. And this is today's weather forecast. And in the green areas here, that's all possible rain and thunderstorms. The yellow and the red areas are different. Heavy rain, flash flooding possible in the red, and the yellow, severe thunderstorms possible. And north of there, again, mixed precipitations in the purple. But what we're seeing in this combination, where you got heavy rain, flash flooding, and the severe thunderstorms, is that line of tornadoes. Now let's look at tomorrow. It looks like the severe weather is more or less out of here, but there's still rain going to be pushing along the Gulf Coast up through Texas, all the way up the Appalachian chain. Let's go over to Tuesday. Kind of the same thing. Does not, does not look like severe weather at this point, just some rain. But it has been kind of dry, and farmers are going to need the moisture in many places. We don't need the tornadoes, but I guess that's part of the plan. Anyway, guys, we're watching it. Again, contact your friends or family that are in these areas. If you're not, check on them, make sure they're aware of the situation. It's a heads up, be safe.